In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate links for Skool courses. If you're looking to earn some extra income by promoting courses you love, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your affiliate links seamlessly. So let's dive right into it. First things first, begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine. Type in Skool and hit enter. This is your gateway to starting the process. Now turn your attention to the search results. What you're looking for is the link that directly leads you to Skool's official website. Typically, it should be the very first result in your search list, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you've landed on Skool's homepage, it's time to access your personal account. Locate the login button on the webpage. Simply click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but for those of you who are already members, just go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Skool dashboard. Now, what you want to do is focus on your profile settings. To do this, look for the small icon or thumbnail at the top of the page, typically where your profile picture resides. Click on it. This action will present a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to and select the profile option. On your profile page, you should see the Affiliates tab. This is crucial because it's the section where all your affiliate options reside. Clicking on Affiliates will direct you to a new page dedicated to everything affiliate related, making this your hub for managing links. Once you're in the affiliate section, you'll see your personalized affiliate links displayed on the page. These links are unique to you, allowing the system to track any referrals you make. It's important to recognize that these links are your tools for promoting courses and earning commissions for successful referrals. Finally, when you're ready to share your affiliate link, there's a straightforward process. Next to your link, you'll notice a copy button. Clicking this will copy the affiliate link to your clipboard, making it convenient for you to paste it into emails, social media posts, or any other preferred platforms to start sharing and earning immediately. And there you have it. Now you know how to create and share affiliate links for Skool courses. By following these steps, you can effectively promote courses and potentially generate income through your network. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.